Hey everyone, great to see you all here. I'm back again with another video today. So today in this video, I'm going to share this Excel file. Here, I've created an automated drop-down. Let me show you here. So here, currently two things are there, drinks and ready meals. I'm selecting drinks, ready meals. Now in sheet 2, I have the list available here. I'm writing here as, let's say, coffee. I can see here coffee is available. So again, writing a value at 20. Then again, let me delete the coffee. And now I have two items here. Again, if I want to make another item that is, oh, coffee is there. So coffee, instead of coffee, I'm writing, let's say t-shirts. Oh, not me. Sorry, I want to type it here. Drink ready meals, t-shirts. So now here, drinks, ready meals, t-shirts. If I want to make some another value here, say shoes. So this is an automated drop down, which will automatically fills the value when we fill in this list. When we fill any value here in this list, it will automatically pop up, deleted. So this is what there in this video. So you can fill as much as value you can, just like, let me fill one more item, that is t-shirts, ready meals, drinks, clean. So now here, I'm selecting T4 values. So that's all. I mean, I hope you enjoyed this video, and can just reach me out for this file. I will be sharing my WhatsApp details and my email address. The video, you can just reach me out, and thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.